He's not going.
Woo!
Is he biting the broom?
There he goes. Get him.
Here he goes.
Oh, cool. He's heading to the highest tree.
Yep. Good job.
One of him?
Good job, Dad. You did it. What'd you guys think? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Sophie, what'd you think?
That was Oscar. He took off.
Say bye, Oscar.
Bye, Oscar.
Bye, Oscar.
Say bye, Oscar.